English-Belarusian. Can you equals.
Ты можешь.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to learn fast and laugh a little? Let's make Belarusian requests feel easy. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master the friendly request, can you, in English and its Belarusian twin.
Ты можешь.
Hum a tiny do am I so, then say it with a smile.
Ты можешь.
Open your palm toward the listener, classic helper gesture. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help naturally, short, clear, and confident. Your pattern.
Ты можешь.
Plus infinitive. Key verbs we'll plug in. Help. Explain.
Потлумчить.
Open. Wait a moment. Check.
Править.
Please.
Коли ласка.
Like a magic key.
Ты можешь.
Opens doors and jars, apps and mysteries. Say it right. Let's make it sound friendly and clear. Keep the tone rising.
Ты можешь.
Try a gentle upward lift at the end. Softer? Add, please.
Ты можешь. Коли ласка.
Formal to a stranger.
Вы можете.
Need quiet? Flip it negative.
Не можешь. Говорить.
Mini dialogues. Time for quick scenes you can copy, short, useful, and a bit silly. A. Can you open the door? Belarusian.
Ты можешь. Двери.
B. Sure.
Коли ласка.
A. Can you explain that again? Belarusian.
Ты можешь это еще раз?
B. No problem. A. Can you wait a moment? Belarusian.
Ты можешь.
B. 1 sec. Cat cameo. The cat meows. Can you open for me? Belarusian.
Ты можешь. Не.
Then it opens it itself. Shop scene. Can you check this price? Belarusian.
Ты можешь. Это кошт.
Metro moment, formal. Can you show the exit? Belarusian.
Вы можете. Выход.
Culture tip. Be warm, be clear, and Belarus will smile back. In Belarus, a friendly tone plus a small smile goes far. Add.
Коли ласка.
For extra politeness and switch to.
Вы можете.
With strangers or staff. In a Minsk metro station or a cafe, try.
Вы можете. Выход.
Quick quiz. Test yourself. Say it out loud before I reveal the answer. Q1. Say, can you help, please? A.
Ты можешь. Коли ласка.
Q2. Fill the blank for, can you open the window? A.
Ты можешь. Окно.
Q3. Formal, can you check this price? A.
Вы можете. Это кошт.
Challenge time. Ready for a mini workout? You've got this. Say 3 requests, back to back. 1. Can you explain that again?
Ты можешь это еще раз?
2. Can you check the price, please?
Ты можешь это кошт коли ласка?
3. Can you open the door?
Ты можешь. Двери.
Bonus around town. Can you show the way?
Ты можешь. Дорогу.
Wrap up. You did great, small phrase, huge power. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Ты можешь.
With verbs like
Потлумчить.
and.
Править.
This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.